I'm waiting till 6:45 to see if the tornado warning gets officially dropped on our graphics here, but
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Newcastle County in northern Delaware, north central Kent County in central Delaware, northwestern Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, Salem County in southern New Jersey, central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, south central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Marshallton to Charlestown, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Dover, Newark, Bridgeton, Middletown, Chester, Glassboro, Pennsville, Smyrna, Pittman, Carneys Point, Ellesmere, Kennett Square, Newcastle, Penns Grove, Salem, Woodstown, Alloway, Clayton and West Grove. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 1 and 2. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 4. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile marker 0 and 23.